Entering time and expense in Trackfront was built to be super simple. So up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see two buttons. There's the time entry button and the expense entry button. And no matter where you are in Trackfront, you'll see those buttons up there at the top. You simply click on one of these buttons and the time and or expense entry pops up. And both of these interfaces were built to be able to tab through with keyboard, so you don't have to even click with the mouse. So all you have to do is select a project, and everything is typed to complete. You choose the item that you're working on, hit enter, and you can tab through and select today's date or a different date if you want. You can do the start time, 3 p.m., and let's say 4:30 p.m. was the duration, and you enter some notes, and you simply hit save. Now this creates a new time entry, as you can see down here. Now in your recent time entries, this is your most recent time entries that will always show up like this. You can always click out of this, or if for some reason you made a mistake, you can just simply click and delete this last entry, and you could update it in a different way or correct your mistake. An alternative method for entering time, rather than entering start time and end time manually, would be to use the timer. And you would just simply click on the start timer button, and up here you'll start to see time accruing, and you can work on your task. A couple minutes, 2 hours, however long, the timer will continue to run up here, and you'll be able to see the indication of that time and the duration that it's elapsed. So when you're ready to finish, you simply click on the timer button up here, and you enter some notes, and you hit stop timer, and it'll automatically create a timer entry right here. So that's one alternative method of doing it as well. Expense entry works the exact same way. You just click on the expense button, you enter the project, and you put $150 or $250 in here. And you hit save, and it'll put your expense entry right down here. And that's all there is to it. That's how quick and easy time entry and expense entry is in Trackfront.